15 quotes from famous people answering most asked questions about money. Great quotes condense complex ideas into a few words. In a memorable way, they inspire, motivate, and encourage. Many books that teach us about money use quotations to help hammer home crucial personal finance and investment themes. In that spirit, I've compiled a list of top quotes from extraordinary people that answer fundamental questions related to money. The first question is money as indispensable as air? This is a trick question since it's difficult to have the key things in today's society if you don't give money. Our most fundamental necessities are food and shelter. To have enough food and shelter, you need money. It's also critical to maintain good health. Good health, on the other hand, costs money because it's based on a healthy diet and capacity to attain health care when needed. These things are not free. Money may not be the most essential thing in the world, but it's difficult to have the most important things in today's world without it. Here are two quotes that answer the question better. Henrik Ibsen, the playwright, said, "Money may be the husk of many things, but not the kernel. It brings you food, but not the appetite, medicine, but not the health, acquaintance, but not friends, servants, but not loyalty, days of joy, but not peace or happiness." And Zig Ziglar, an author and motivational speaker, said, "Money isn't the most important thing in life, but is reasonably close to the oxygen on the gotta have it scale." Before we keep going, please let us know in the comments below what you feel like is the most necessity thing in life. Is it money? Is it health? Etc. Hit the like button, sub button, bell button, and let's get back into it. 2. Is it possible to buy love with money? Everyone understands the importance of love. Money can't buy love, they say all the time. That could be the case. It's simple to love a rich guy as it is to love a poor man, we hear. And that adage is unpopular because it suggests that women should choose poor man as her partner. Attractiveness is a big part of romantic love, and money can make somebody incredibly desirable. I recall hearing a joke a long time ago. Two short girls are having a conversation. "I could never find a short man attractive," one says. "My man is really tall when he is standing on his money," the other one responds. "I'd rather marry love than money," people commonly say. Who said you have to choose between the two options? But if that were the case, which one would you pick? Jackie Mason and Katharine Hepburn answered the question by stating, "Money is not the most important thing in the world. Love is. Fortunately, I love money." And if you're given a choice between money and sex appeal, take the money. As you get older, the money will become your sex appeal. 3. Is it possible to buy happiness with money? I'm not sure if money can buy happiness, but according to the social science academics, there's a link between how much money you have and how happy you are to a degree. According to a Forbes magazine estimate, the figure is currently roughly $75,000 in the United States. It's logical. When you don't have enough to eat or a decent place to live, it's difficult. It doesn't say you can't be content with a salary of less than $75,000 a year. It simply means that your income rises below $75,000, your happiness rises as well. But as your income rises above $75,000, money does not bring you more happiness. I'd rather be impoverished but happy, individuals may say sometimes to declare. The implication is that being wealthy is synonymous with being unhappy. Who says you have to choose between the two options? Perhaps we can be wealthy and content. About that, Benjamin Franklin says, "Money has never made man happy, nor will it. There is nothing in this nature to produce happiness." 4. Is it true that money is the source of all evil? Money is commonly said to be the source of all evil, yet this is a misquote from the Bible. "The love of money is the root of all kinds of evil," says the statement. On the subject, some individuals make jokes. Actually, George Bernard Shaw said, "Lack of money is the root of all evil." 5. Is it possible for money to change people? One reason people believe there's a link between money and evil is that individuals who have a lot of money are typically consumed with greed, which may lead to a lot of bad things. Money has become an aim of itself for some individuals. Money should be seen as nothing more than a tool. Money is not only a tool for achieving a goal. "Whoever dies with the most good wins," goes the old joke. That game should not be played. Some recent sociological study has revealed that money has the ability to alter a person's personality. Some people who become wealthy become more greedy and less generous than they were previously. Their personality has been tainted by money. More, they scream, as if money has become a narcotic to which they are addicted. "I desire more." Some people have known for a long time that money is deadly, even before sociological science confirmed it. D.H. Lawrence once said, "Money poisons you when you got it, and it starves you when you have it." 6. What is money making secrets? Would I be sitting here to make this video if I knew the secret? However, after looking upon renowned people's remarks on the subject of money, I can provide some amusing recommendations in response to your query. 1. Be born into a wealthy family. It reminds me of an old joke. One man inquired another, "I'm not sure I'm going to make a small amount of money," his friend responds. "Start with a large amount of money." 2. Be fortunate. J.P. Getty and his multi-billion-dollar businessman, who was dubbed America's richest man during his lifetime, once said, "My success strategy is to get up early, work late, and strike oil." 3. Be intelligent. Ken Hubbard is a cartoonist, a satirist, and a journalist said, "Folding your money and putting it into your pockets is the safest method to double your money." 7. Should a person's motivation to work be only based on monetary gain? People obviously strive to make money in order to get the things they desire and require. However, earning money isn't the sole motivation of labor. We also strive for the person's satisfaction when it comes to success. According to a Gallup poll conducted recently, 85% of respondents dislike their work. In the United States, it's 70%. It's often preferable to do lower paying employment if it's something you enjoy. Here's a Barack Obama quote: "Focusing your life solely on making a buck shows a poverty of ambition. It asks too little of yourself, and it will leave you unfulfilled." 8. Is it true that the best things in life are free? The legendary fashion designer Coco Chanel answered, "There are people who have money and there are people who are rich." This means ordinarily wealth may be taken, but true wealth cannot. There are immensely valuable things in your spirit that no one can take away from you. There are things that you were born with, like family and a healthy body, which are priceless at the end of the day. Finally, how much money is considered to be sufficient? You will be unhappy if you're constantly chasing more and more. You can get off the treadmill with the appropriate aim. It's absurd that someone can complain about making $350,000 a year, and it's evident that many of these people are completely unaware of their wealth. These families aren't alone. Despite extremes and annoyances, it's not just the rich that fall into the trap of earning more and feeling exactly as unhappy as they was before. What are your options for getting to the treadmill? The solution is not comparing yourself to others. Jeff Bezos will always be there to make you feel lousy, or to keep trying to generate more money mindlessly. There will always be more shiny and a new thing to covet. Take a serious look at your personal financial circumstances and objectives and come up with a target amount. How much money do you consider sufficient? Or perhaps those of us who have enough money to live a decent life while still having a little left over, are fortunate ones. We may enjoy without being concerned about money. And when I say not be concerned about money, I don't simply mean that you should be concerned about having enough money to put another way. We don't have to spend all of our time working to make money, managing money, and attempting to keep whatever we earn. Demetrius said, "By desiring little, a poor man makes himself rich." And Benjamin Franklin said, "The more of it, money, one has, the more one wants." Another final quote from John D. Rockefeller: "How much money is enough? Just a little bit more." This wraps up today's video. I hope it enriched your knowledge. Let me know your favorite life quotes in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, sub button, bell button. Have a great day. Take care of your pockets and loved ones, and I will see you in the next one.